Good evening. Today we are going to discuss about Karnataka School Examination and Assessment Board released. That's a model question paper 3 science. Okay. Let's start with the part A. That's a physics. Question main number 1. Choose the correct alternatives. Okay. They asked what two multiple choice questions. First one. The SI unit of a electric current is the SI unit of electric current ampere. Option C. Right answer. Coulomb. It's a SI unit of electric charge, volt potential difference, then watt power. Okay. Then second one question. The change in focal length of an eye lens is controlled by ciliary muscles, pupil, retina, iris. Then its right answer option A, ciliary muscles. By contraction and relaxation of a ciliary muscles, what the focal length of the lens increase or decrease. Because of that, uh, we see a distant object and near objects. Then iris gives color to our eye. Retina contains two types of cells, that's cones and rods. They are sensible for dim light and bright light. Then pupil it's a main gate to entrance of a light to our eyes. Then question main number 2, answer the following questions, each carrying 1 mark. Total 2 questions are there. Write symbols of the following components used in an electric circuit. Electric cell. Okay, a battery has a two end points, that's a positive and negative. This is the representation of electric cell, and this is the representation of a rheostat. You can able to draw like this also, or otherwise you can able to draw like this also. Both are rheostat symbols. Then fourth one, what problems will occur when a live and neutral wires are connected directly to household electrical appliances from electric poles? It causes a overloading or short circuit. It causes a overloading or short circuit. Very simple answers for 1 mark. Question main number 3, answer the following questions, each carrying 2 mark. Total 3 questions are there. Then 3 to the 6 marks. Fifth one, connecting a resistors in parallel in domestic circuits is better than connecting them in series. How? Explain, they ask. In parallel circuit, each connected component receives the required amount of a current. Gadget that has different resistance and a different current what requirements can be operated properly. If one of the component fails in the parallel circuit, the rest work as usual with their own capacity. But in a series circuit, if a one circuit one device gets in trouble, all circuit breaks. Sixth one, how do magnetic field lines appear when electric current passes through a circular loop of conducting wires? Magnetic field lines appear as a concentric circles at every point on the circular loop. Then question number 7, explain the function of earth wire in domestic circuits. The earth wire provides a low resistance conducting path for the current. It ensures that any leakage of a current to the metallic body of appliances keep its potential to that of earth's nearly 50 volt. It protects the user from severe electric shocks. That's a very important thing. Seventh one question. Observe the following figure. Answer the question given below. Okay. Ray of a sunlight. It passes into water drop, rainwater droplet. Then by total internal reflection and diffraction and uh, other mechanism, it forms a rainbow. Whether this phenomenon can be observed on the moon surface justify the answer. No, it's not possible, because formation of rainbow involves a scattering of light by the atmospheric particles. Atmospheric particles are absent in moon. So scattering of light is not possible on moon. The moon has no atmosphere to scatter light. Then question main number 4, answer the following questions, each carrying 3 marks. Total 3 questions are there, 3 3s are 9 marks. Then eighth one question, explain an activity to verify Fleming's left hand rule. Then C, place a strong horseshoe magnet in such a way that the rod lies between the two poles with the magnetic field directed upwards. The rod, aluminium rod. For this put the north pole of the magnet vertically uh, below and above below and south pole vertically above the aluminum rod. Connect the aluminum rod in a series with a battery, key and a rheostat. Now pass a current through a aluminum rod from end B to A. The rod AB will displace. Reverse the direction of current flowing through the rod. Now the rod displaces in opposite direction. Okay. Then question number 9. Draw a ray diagram for the image formation of an convex lens when the object is placed between optical center O and principal focus F. Mention the position and nature of the image formed. This is the only unique case in where convex lens forms a virtual image and erect image. All other cases, whatever are there, whenever the object is placed at infinity, whenever the object placed at placed beyond 2f, whenever the object is placed on 2f, between 2f and f, on f, all these cases real and real image is formed. But this is single case. What happens here, virtual and erect image is formed because whatever object is placed in between f and o, one ray parallel to principal axis, it passes from principal focus, and another ray passes from optic center. Whatever the both rays are there, they travel in a straight line, they not converge at any point. So if they not converge means there is no formation of real image. That's why imaginarily we join those two lines wherever we kept the object in that side only, and here the image is formed. Compared to object, the size of the image is larger. So see, position of the image on the same side of the lens of the object, and nature of the image virtual and erect. Question number 10. Observe the figure given below. Name the defect of the eye depicted in the figure. What causes this defect? How can this defect can be corrected? Okay, then see, defect hypermetropia, long-sightedness. Then cause, the focal length of the eye lens is too long, the eyeball has become too small. Then correction, using a convex lens of appropriate power. Okay, this is the correction. Then question number 11. Stars twinkle but planets do not twinkle. Why? Explain. The planets do not twinkle because they are very close to the earth and thus seen at extended sources. If the planet is considered as a collection of many point-sized sources of light, the net variation of light entering the eye will be zero. So it nullifies twinkling effect. But stars are far away from us. Whatever the light is coming, that light is from point size. Okay, because of a refraction of atmospheric layers. Whenever the light enters to eyes, the stars looks like a bright, and whenever it not enters to our eyes, it looks like a dim. But stars always emit the light. Question main number 5. Answer the following questions, each carrying 4 marks. Total 2 questions are there. 2 4s are 8. Then 11th one question. A convex mirror that has a radius of curvature of 4 meter is used in a bus. If a car is located at a distance of 10 meter from the mirror, then find the image distance. Mention the nature and size of the image formed. Then R 4 meter, U minus 10 meter. Then image V we want to find out. Then to find the focal length, F is equal to R by 2. We use a formula. Then 4 by 2, it's a 2 meter. Then what's the formula? 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. Okay, it's related to mirror formula. Whatever in Kannada, a little bit I confused. Why? Because they kept a minus at the time of formula, but we have to take as a plus. Then see, 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by minus 10. Then 1 by V is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 10. Okay, then if we take a LCM, 2 and 10, it's a 10, and 2 5s are 10, and 10 1s are 10, that's a 6 by 10. Then 1 by V we made a reciprocal, then it turns into V. V is equal to 10 by 6, then its answer, plus 1.66 meters we got here. 1.66 meters, then 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 10. Then 1 by V is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 10. Then 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 10. Then 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 10. Then 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 10. Then 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 10. Then 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 10. Then 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 10. Then 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 10. Then 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 10. Then 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 10. Then 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 10. Then 1 by 2 is image. Then the image distance is 1.66 meter. The nature and size of image is virtual and erect. Virtual and erect. Next, 12th one question in that A, state Ohm's law. Ohm's law. At a constant temperature, the potential difference V across the ends of a given metallic wire in an electric circuit is directly proportional to the current I flowing through it. It's a Ohm's law. Very, very important. Keep in mind. Then B, what they asked, mention the factors on which the resistance of a conductor depends. Resistance of a conductor depends on length of the conductor, area of a cross section, that's the thickness of a conductor, nature of the material of a conductor, temperature of the conductor. Then C, resistivity of a material A is 1012 ohm meter and resistivity of material B is 2.63 into 10 raised to minus 8 ohm meter. Which of these two material can be used as a insulator? Okay, then A, because its resistivity is high. Okay, whatever 1012 ohm meter, its resistivity high, that's why it is used as a insulator. Insulator means to avoid the flow of current. Okay, then up to now what we discussed part A, 2024-25 science question model science question paper 3 physics part we discussed. In next clip we are going to discuss about part B, that's a chemistry. Within short, upload the video. Thank you so much, and share this video if you feel this is helpful. Then share this video to your friends and other groups also. Thank you so much.